Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the TikTok app for beginners. So first of all guys, let's launch the app. Let's take a look what is recommendation from TikTok itself. On top right corner you will see currently we're experiencing the For You page. This is what TikTok thinks that you're gonna like. Usually it's based on the location. We are in New York City, so this is why TikTok recommends us to see or take a look at Times Square. Very interesting point also is that on the next to For You page you will have the shops. Shops is usually people who are selling stuff on the platform, and if you wanna buy something from some shop, you're gonna follow the shop, and every time when the shop has some promotion or some new items, you're gonna get notification and you're gonna take a look. Next to shops you will have the following. All the people that you currently follow and their new content will be in this particular section. And the next to the following you will have the STEM, which is essentially science, technology, engineering and math. This is generally built and promoted from TikTok to spark curiosity to the creators and to the viewers. A lot of interesting topics, a lot of interesting things. Let's jump to your account. And when you go to your account, you see the types of notifications that you will receive. You will receive notifications from TikTok itself, you will receive notifications from activities someone interact with your content, and you're going to receive notifications from your followers. When you go back to your account and when you take a look on the lower end of your account, you have options to essentially interact with notifications with the friends. If you have a friends that are currently on the platform, you can find them, you can add them, you can take a look at their content. Also, if you would like to upload something, all you gotta do is to click the plus button on the button. When you click the plus button, you'll see that you have option to create a video inside the actual TikTok app, or you can upload a pre-made content. What this really means is that you will be able simply to create and use the filters and the green screen and other options and other functions, that new AI generated functions that are available on the platform. If you already have a pre-made video, all you gotta do is to go back and then click on the right side where it says upload. This is the place where you're gonna select from your folder, from your phone, whatever content you would like to upload. In our case, we have, and we're going to choose this short form video. We're going to add this video. There are plenty of options. If you look at the right side of the settings bar, you have the options actually to adjust the filters, the contrast. You're able to add a voiceover or text. Something very interesting also is that you can extend this settings bar just by clicking on the down arrow pointing. In this way you will be able to see more functions if you find something that was not there, something that is missing in your opinion. This is very helpful, considering that a lot of this customization helps creators to build much more and provide much more value for the viewers. Basically that's everything that you should know. We went through the For You page, how to interact, how to create content, and how to enjoy using TikTok app.
Now, if you want to go ahead and make money in a more bulked way, then I would suggest you get into Creativity Program Beta. It's a new beta that TikTok has introduced, and the eligibility is only you need to be a US-based account, at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100K views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join is just go to your settings, go to Creator Tools. You're going to click on Creator Fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to Creativity Program Beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the Creator Fund. You will stay in Creativity Program Beta. And what that does is Creativity Program Beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your Creator Fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok. How to join TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join TikTok's Creativity Program Beta in the easiest way possible. So to do this, basically, you're going to come over to tiktok.com/creators, and over there, you're going to see the Creativity Program Beta. Now, Creativity Program Beta is obviously a program that they created, which is a tool. So you're going to be able to collect rewards as you create and publish longer video content, okay? So it's a good way to have better rewards for TikTok. Now, the eligibility is you have to be in the United States. Any external United States account will not work. at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join it is you're going to open up your TikTok menu button and then go into your settings, and obviously from there into the creator tools and then creator fund. And then when you click on switch, it's going to switch you to the creativity program beta, but you cannot switch back to creator fund. Okay, you're going to stay in creativity program beta, so keep idea of that. So yeah, basically once you have done that, you can also scan this QR code off of their website to get into this. So just maximize your attention, expand your growth by the creativity program. You can earn up to 20 times more that you got on creator fund. Obviously, you can film up to 10 minutes of content, upload videos up to 30 minutes long, easily edit them in the TikTok app, etc. And it's pretty incredible. Now, obviously, the rewards are calculated over 1,000 qualified views. So yeah, that's how you're going to join the TikTok creativity program, TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly generate TikTok ads for yourself using Shopify dropshipping in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So basically, when it comes to working with TikTok ads, let me show you how we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details and in-depth features of this. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go into ad apps. Once we go into ad apps, we're going to come to Shopify App Store. And while we do that, you're also going to want to come here and write TikTok for ads. And you're going to get TikTok for business. So you're going to go ahead and sign up with TikTok business as well. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to show you the whole sign up procedure, but you're going to sign up with the TikTok for business account. And once you do that, you're going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to write TikTok. And once you write TikTok, you're going to basically download TikTok over here. So basically what's going to happen is once you've created your TikTok for business account, you're going to generate your ads in your TikTok for business, and then you're going to connect your TikTok for business account with your Shopify over here, and then start importing your ads into your Shopify. And that is how you are going to go ahead and do TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. How to make money on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and make money on TikTok, and you can make it through current TikTok's creator fund, because TikTok's creator fund is the current way that is the proper and legal way, if that makes sense, to make money for ourselves, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and make money in a more bulked way, then I would suggest you get into creativity program beta. It's a new beta that TikTok has introduced, and the eligibility is only you need to be a US based account, at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100K views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join is just go to your settings, go to creator tools. You're going to click on creator fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to creativity program beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the creator fund. You will stay in creativity program beta. And what that does is creativity program beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your creator fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok.
Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a pro way of using TikTok for beginners. Very simple, very easy. I'm gonna explain to you how to get monetized, what are the ways that you can get monetized, how to publish content, how to find what is currently trending, what hashtags, and essentially how to structure your post on TikTok. Let's launch the TikTok app and jump in. First thing, when you launch the TikTok app after you created your own account, let's presume you don't have any followers and you don't follow anyone. So essentially, what will be the main source of information will be the first page over here, the home, if you focus on the lower side of the screen. So at the home, you usually going to see only content that you see for the first time, creators that you see for the first time, people that you haven't follow, you haven't watched, you haven't liked or comment on their content. As well, in between you will find a lot of advertisements. If you can see this is every fourth or fifth swipe will be an ad, which is kind of usual, kind of normal. If you go on the top side of the menu, you will see that there is an option to switch from For You page towards the shop. This is a new section where essentially people are selling a lot of items. Sometimes these items are sold by the brands itself, sometimes are sold by creators from the influencers itself. This is why for a lot of the influencers now it's much easier to set up a store like this right over here, engaging and interacting with their own viewers, doing live streams, and they might say a lot of stuff. The next section will be what you're currently following. This might be empty for you, but this is where you're gonna see the feed from your current following list. This is where people you follow, you're interested. You can set this to be your default launching feed, meaning when you launch the app, instead of you seeing random people, you can set to see your only following list. The last option over here is stem. This is default on each and every TikTok, no matter what kind of settings do you have. This is essentially science, technology, engineering, and math. This is educational feed. Very good. I find it very, very interesting. Sometimes when you got extremely exhausted from the regular, trending sounds, trending topics, all over again, different people making the same video, well, simply you can come over here on Steam, right, and essentially see what the heck is going on, what you can learn about the world and how the world works. The next section over here, you will see like a small TV icon. It's live. When you click on live, you will find everyone who is currently live streaming, right? People doing boat fishing. It's like a live TV, right? You're seeing what people are interacting or how they're actually engaging. Where are they at the moment? It's kind of cool. I don't spend so much time on it, but sometimes you might find, some interesting profession that you ever wonder how it works. To exit the live, all you gotta do to click on the X on the top right corner. Now, if we focus back down again on the lower menu, the second option will be friends. When you click on friends, this will be people that are either added from your Facebook list or your contact list on your phone, because TikTok will ask you, are you willing to give them permission to add people from your contact list? Or this will be people that TikTok presumes or speculates that you might know from somewhere. I don't know how they decide that you might know them or you might not know them, but this is essentially how it works. Also here you will find people that already followed you. As you can see, I have a bunch of people who followed me over here and I didn't follow them back, and this is why TikTok is hanging around and TikTok is trying to essentially push me to follow them back. The next option will be the plus sign. This is essentially where you're creating a new post. When you click at the plus sign, well, you have plenty of options. You can simply select anything that you want to upload. Let's pick this random white page. Right on the right side you have a small menu where you can change, you can input text, you can, for example, make the text larger, you can make the text smaller. When you're done, you hit done. Then, for example, you can go down and include different stickers. You can mention someone. Let's say, for example, we want to mention Gary V over here, right? Next option as well, you can include over here, you have this like a filter, like a vintage vibe GIFs layers that are on top of your original creation. I think it might be cool, especially if you have like into like a vintage or video editing, like a content or viewers. Then you have a small arrow that actually extends the menu and gives you a lot more options. So essentially you can include a voiceover explaining or commenting or reacting on other people's content. And the last option will be to save the video. Some people do that. Some people essentially edit the video, then save the video, and then go out and publish the video elsewhere. Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, whatever. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of this. When you finish with editing, click next. And this is where you input your metadata. You input your title, 2-3 sentences maximum explaining what is the video about. I would say 3 to 5 hashtags as well. Then you are able to include the location, and if you scroll down, you're able actually to save the video as a draft instead of publishing it. On the lower left corner you will see draft button. You click on draft button and you save the video as a draft, and you can come back. Let me show you. When you click drafts, right, and then we click on the lower right corner with your profile icon, then when you go back to your profile, you will see that the draft will appear over here. And when you click on draft, you're able to do two things, right? First option would be to just post it, right? Click on it once and then click next and click post. Very easy. But let's say you didn't want to do that, right? Let's say you change your mind, you want to delete it. How are you going to go about it? You have to go on the top right corner, click select, then select on the post, and then you click delete on the lower middle side of the screen. This is how simple it is. Well guys, I think this is the basics. We covered the basics. I hope you guys find a lot of new things and you're gonna use the platform much better. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok. After the recent updates, things have changed a little. There's many new things that you should pay attention to. Let's jump into the TikTok app and let me show you. The first thing I want to show you, stop losing your time trying to find a new trend or the new system to make money on the feed, okay? All you gotta do is to go ahead and click on the upper left corner. Do you see the live icon button, okay? Click on live. And now this is where the magic happens, okay? Now you will be able to essentially see what people are actually making money out of. So there is two ways to approach the live streams. First of all, it's either people who are selling physical products, like as you can see over here, or there are people who are simply selling content, selling courses, selling programs, educational. You might be, gym coach, you might be a chef, you might be, motivational speaker, guru, psyche. In this particular example over here, I see this guy almost every single day. I'm not following the guy, I'm not into coins, I'm not into anything. But the reason that every single day I got this live stream recommended on my feed is simply mind-blowing. As you can see, they're having 46,000 likes on this particular live stream so far. And the guy obviously is selling stuff, the guy obviously is passionate and is doing his business. So don't forget that you can live stream anywhere you are as long as you are the business owner, right? If you're an employee, most likely you're not going to be able to do it. But if you're the business owner, you can live stream your products, you can live stream your services, you can resell stuff. The other day I saw a guy who was simply reselling his used clothes. He put them on the hanger, he put them on the closet, and then he was just showing from the actual wardrobe one by one the items. And people were buying it. See, somebody else is selling other stuff over here, like pills and I don't know. The main point is, you see this guy probably is a driver, right? And he just, chilling with people. He's live streaming and people probably give him a tip, give him, rewards. They're chilling with him. Essentially, this is the way to make the real money over here. To be as, real as possible and to be more open and to show people what you actually do. Like I said, some people are making money here just from contributions from the viewers, just from getting tips. It's not about, selling products always. This guy over here is selling products. So this guy over here is probably selling this handmade, wooden stuff. It's all about coming up with whatever ideas or passion you have, and you just pop up over here and start talking about it, right? It's very easy to talk about something that you know and that you're good at. This is how you're gonna make the most money, and you're gonna grow very fast on TikTok. Don't lose your time on feed. Don't lose your time trying to, catch up the recent trend or like these dances or like trending sounds. It's simply losing your time. This is the way to grow and make a lot of money. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and of course come back for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way that you can make a lot of money on TikTok, and I'm not talking about the genuine creativity program beta or starting a shop or dropshipping, okay? Let me show you. The main scope over here is that when you go on your actual live stream, okay, you will see that a lot of people are actually selling a lot of items. And I'm not talking about some, fancy jewelry, watches, whatever. Look at these people. Anyone from whatever business you have, you can sell items as long as you can ship, right? If you're doing services, sure, you cannot, right? If you're doing haircuts or massages or spa or whatever, you cannot do that, but you can attract a lot of people coming to your place, right? Just look at over here. I want you to go on the top left corner. When you launch the app, there's a small box, it says live. When you click on live, you will see a lot of people. Look at this guy over here. just being live, you see how many rewards he got. Some people calculate over here that, when you go and try to see the requirements and how much estimate you can make just doing live streams. On my personal account over here, TikTok estimated I could make over $100,000 a month just from live streaming. And this is my cut. Remember, TikTok is taking his cut, you're taking your cut. Okay, everything is arranged. So the main point over here is that you want to make sure that you're utilizing the live and utilizing the live as it is. Whatever you have in front of you, you can leverage. You saw people in the grocery store, they're selling items online. Just think about whatever you are. Let's say, for example, you have like a vintage stuff, right? You have any kind of stuff in the store. Paintings, cutlery, clothes, some furniture here and there. And if you're able to ship any of these items, you can sell them online. Just think about how fast all these people who usually, sell on Amazon, on eBay, reselling items, flipping Poshmark, you can simply go over here, you can go online and just show your items on the hangers. Earlier I saw a guy who had like 50 jackets, everything is pre-owned condition on hangers, and he's just showing the jackets one by one, and he was selling stuff. Look at this guy, he's selling coins. You can essentially sell any kind of items over here, guys, as long as you show up yourself. And the best part, in some of these cases like this guy, you don't have to show yourself. You can stay behind the camera and just show the products. Show the product. People say, show me this on the left. You show this on the left, this product. You rotate it, you show 360-degree views. People like it, buy it, you ship it tomorrow. Boom, easy. Very, very easy. You don't have to put a 1 million SEO description with keywords. You don't have to pay for listings that you saw on Etsy or whatever, right? Everything is very, very easy to execute on as long as you have the physical product that you can actually ship. Or some people might be able to sell, some courses online, some, coaching here. If you spend time every day, 1 hour with the community, people will know you, people will spend time with you, we used to hang out with you, right? You essentially might be able to sell digital products as well. But don't sleep on live stream on TikTok, guys. This is the huge potential over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money on TikTok this year. There are big changes over here and I want to make sure that you know since the beginning of this year. Don't wait until it's already summer and a lot of people already know about this. Let me launch the TikTok app and let me show you where the whole money have been made so far. So first thing first, don't lose your time on brand deals, sponsorships, TikTok shop and all this stuff, okay? When you're here on your feed, go ahead and click on the upper left corner. Click on the live button, okay? When you're over here on the live button, you will see how people are making a bank. People making a lot of money over here, guys. So there are a couple of ways to do it. First of all, you can live stream and sell items that you have on your home. Nobody said that you have to buy or new items or resell new items. People could sell collectibles like this gentleman over here selling coins. Every single day I see this guy on my feed. And as you can see, I'm not following the guy, okay? I'm not. But I kept get recommended simply because there is a bunch of people on his live stream. People not only buying, there are people who are just supporting him, sending him tips. He's making probably a lot of money. See, there is another guy over here with coins as well. There are people who are just hanging around, guys. As you can see over here, somebody is just decorating their room and just still getting a lot of tips. Just 5,200 likes so far. And you're telling me that 0.1% will not send a tip to the girl or to the person who is making it? Come on, guys, don't be joking. Just look at all the bonuses over here, all the tips, all the diamonds, right? Somebody else is selling something online right here. Do you see that? The guy is selling his own product about something about the hair. I don't know what is it. Okay, somebody else is playing video games online. Okay, these people are not losing their time trying to get a brand deal. They're not losing their time making TikTok videos, AI generated content. They just stay at home, do whatever they're gonna do anyway, but they just live stream it. Essentially, you're hanging out with new friends from your home without going out and hanging out with new people. Okay, this is what the best is. So this guy is teaching something else, how to make 100K in trucking business. You see, this is the true value over here, 14,000 likes on this video, guys, on this live stream. So you understand how this works, okay? Don't lose your time, learn how to live stream, get the 1,000 followers. If not, watch my videos how to go live without 1,000 followers here on the channel, and then let's make a whole lot of money in 2024. For more videos like this, guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel.